Hello and welcome to eLearn Markets. Today I will talk about some of the important books for a fundamental investor. Fundamental analysis helps both the novice and the experienced traders to make better and well-planned investment decisions. Books written by some of the most successful writers are a great way to acquire knowledge and educate oneself about the ins and outs of fundamental analysis. But there are so many books on fundamental analysis, it is difficult to sift through them. Let us discuss some of the top books on fundamental analysis. First is Security Analysis. It is written by Benjamin Graham and David L. Dodd. It was first published in 1934. It still provides many useful insights into the way the stock market works. Next is Intelligent Investor. This book is written by Benjamin Graham and is considered to be the most popular book on fundamental analysis as well as value investing. Published in 1949, this book is considered to be a Bible on investment for all types and all levels of investors in the world. This book covers how investors can analyze a company's future performance by studying the present financial statements. The author explains topics like earnings per share, stock selection, management team analysis, etc. Warren Buffett himself considered this book as the best book on investing. Next is Learn to Earn. This book is written by Peter Lynch. According to him, anyone can reach their financial milestones by investing in the brands that they use every day. This book is designed in order to help the investors understand and invest in the market through everyday seen or consumed products. In this book, the author has explained in such a style that anyone who is in school or older can understand how to read a stock table, company's annual report, and why everyone should pay attention to the stock market. The author has not only explained how to invest, but also how to think like an investor. Common Stocks and Uncommon Profits. This book was first published in the year 1958. The author of this book, Philip Fisher, was a pioneer in the world of financial analysis. The author has highlighted that an investor should not buy any stock without doing proper research or getting adequate information on its performance of last few years. The Theory of Investment Value. This book is based on the idea that stocks are worth the present value of the dividends paid in perpetuity. This book is known for the technique of discounted cash flow. This is the foundation of business valuation which is used for making investment decisions. Next is Ratio Analysis Fundamentals. How 17 financial ratios can help you or allow you to analyze any business on the planet. This book is a great place to start for understanding ratio analysis and improve business or investment decisions. It is a concise, clear, and friendly book. This book teaches you about the application of ratio analysis by taking the data from financial statements and evaluates performance. Each book mentioned above is packed with strategies and techniques which will help you in making long-term successful investment decisions and also will help you in minimizing risk. With this, I come to the end of this video. Until then, happy investing.